Sunnyvale RQI at 830 Stewart Drive. There are 2 large parking spaces on the east and west side of the building. We're right across the street from the Apple building. The front entrance, you'll see a blue awning with our address, 830. You'll enter through the glass doors here. You'll pass through the lobby. Go down this hallway. Safety training seminars will be on your left side. We are suite 133. Enter the code that's provided to you on the keypad here. Once you come inside, we have 2 stations available. You can choose either one, log in, and begin your RQI skill test.